In this video, we're going to show you how to perform the brake bleed procedure on your Subaru Legacy. We're going to go ahead and spray the top of our reservoir and clean up any of the debris that's sitting on the top with the dirt. Spray it. Go ahead and clean up around here using a little bristle brush if you have one. And open up the reservoir cap, set that aside. Now inside there's a little filter or a screen. I'm going to use my needle nose pliers. I'm going to press it down and be careful, you don't want to puncture the screen that's in there, but I'm going to press this down and open it up and I'm going to pull that cap out or the screen. There it is. Set that aside. You will want to go ahead and clean this. You're going to use some spray solvent and clean that and set that aside. Now I'm going to use a little container here, and I'm going to use this tool here to go down inside and vacuum out as much of that brake fluid as possible. It is a very small port that's in there, or access, and I'm not getting much out, but ideally what you want to do is take out as much of that brake fluid as possible. After you've cleaned out your screen here, you can drop that down inside, press that down. Now at this point here, we can go ahead and top off the master cylinder with some fresh brake fluid. And then we're going to install our cap. Our brake bleed procedure starts at the right rear. Next is the left rear, followed by the right front, and ending with the left front. Now starting at the right rear here, what we're going to do is we're going to use our reservoir here to capture the fluid as it comes out. Now we have someone inside the vehicle that's going to assist us in pumping up the brakes while we do this job. They're going to inform me, they're going to pump, 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 hold. Then we're going to open up the bleeder screw and purge out any air and dirty fluid that's in the system here. And we're going to continue this procedure for all four wheels. You may have a rubber cap here on your bleeder screw. If not, it's not that critical, but it's nice to have one. I'm going to use a 10mm wrench. And what we're going to do is we're going to just break this free just to set this up. All right, so you can go ahead and loosen this. I'm going to get my hose set up on this. Okay, if you go ahead and pump that up. I'm going to open this. That's at the floor. Close it. Go ahead and pump it up. While they're holding pressure, you open up the line. They let me know it's on the floor, and then we close it. You don't want to pump it while we have this open. Go ahead again. And one more time. Actually, we're getting a good amount of air out of this one here. We're going to continue to do this until we get rid of that air here. Go ahead. Perfect. So we're all set on this one here. We're going to snug down that bleeder screw. Purge out any of that fluid there. I'm going to give this a quick spray with some spray solvent. Clean up any of that residual brake fluid that might be here. Put our cap on. I want to go ahead and proceed to the left rear. I want to open up the cap. I want to top off the master. Now there is a max line on the side here. You want to go ahead and fill up the reservoir too. You're going to use the appropriate brake fluid that's recommended for this vehicle according to the reservoir lid. On the right front, we're going to continue this procedure. Remove the rubber cap. Okay, pump it up. Pump it up. And one more time. Okay, no air bubbles and clean fluid. Let's go ahead and wrap it up with the left front. Let's go ahead and top this off right to that max line. Put the cap on. Now that we're done bleeding the brakes, you want to go ahead and hop into the vehicle, pump up the brakes, make sure that they feel good. For some reason, if they feel soft and spongy, go ahead and repeat this process one more time. At that point there, you want to go ahead and put your wheels on, torque down the lug nuts to 88 foot-pounds, and then take the vehicle for a road test.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.